accidents that are taking place in Goa, literally it looks like it's going to become the capital of the whole of India with respect to accidents. And there is a saying, whether it is controllable or it has gone beyond the control of the authorities in Goa. Definitely yes, it is now beyond the control of Goan authorities. But what can we do? What can be done? I hope Movin Gudin doesn't come out with another rare idea of telling the people or the department to put speed governors for scooters and motorcycles. Instead of that, I have been telling time and again, there should be some base education for the new riders, people who want to get new licenses, sensitize the people at school levels, colleges, panchayat levels, maybe in public places also. There was also another way of putting these things in the minds of the people and to sensitize them is to conduct time to time some exhibitions with respect to those vehicles which has already met with an accident and which are beyond beyond recognition, so that a little bit fear psychosis also should creep into the minds of the riders. And then they have to be sensitized with respect to the repercussions of the family who are there long after these people who have been riding in a very high speed manner, or maybe due to because bad roads, bad speed breakers, and everybody has to be made accountable. Why only the people who are driving or riding? Why not the authorities who are so bad in the design of the roads and especially the speed breakers? The speed breakers all throughout from Margaon to Chinchini, for example, I have seen they are so badly designed, it's very bad. So all these things only when put together will bring about some improvement. Once again, to cap up, get educational program with respect to transport and these accidents in place. Conduct time to time exhibitions, and so that the people get more sensitized, and the authorities who are giving the licenses also should be highly responsible for this.
हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, हांव एडवोकेट शैलेश गांव सोशल वर्कर ओल्ड गोवा. आयज एक असो प्रश्न येता, एक्सिडंट्स, रस्त्यार जे एक्सिडंट जाता पळय तेंचो. हांव खूब फावटी उलयलां आनी आयज परत एकदां उलयतां. मेजर जे रिजन आसा एक्सिडंट जावपाक हे रेंट कार आनी रेंट बायक, आनी ह्यो गाडयो चलोवपी बेशिस्त बेजबाबदार जे स्वताक ट्युरिस्ट म्हणपी आसा पळय ते लोक. तशेंच थोडे फूड डिलिव्हरी बॉयज. काही कंपनी कितें करता, तांकां एक टायम दिता, ते अर्द्या वरा भितर तुका पावयता ना फ्री दिता, आनी तेंचे प्रॉमीस फुलफील करच्या खातीर हे जे तेंचे डिलिव्हरी बॉयज आसता ते बेशिस्त बेजबाबदारीन गाडयो चलयता. आनी खुबश्या जाग्यार आमी नोट करता हे गोंयकारूय आसना. हेंचे नंबर प्लेट पळयत जाल्यार MH, MP, KL, KA अशे भायले स्टेटींचे नंबर आसता. आनी असल्या हेतून मॅक्झिमम जो जीव वयता पळय तो आमचो गोंयकाराचो वयता. आयज जर हे तुमकां एक्सिडंट बंद करपाचे आसा, कदाचित तुमकां दिसता की अशे हे एक्सिडंट जावंक जायना, तर हांव परतूय एकदां डिमांड करतलो ह्या सरकारा कडेन, हे रेंट कार आनी रेंट बायक बंद करचे, आनी हे डिलिव्हरी बॉयज आसा ज्यो MH, MP, HR अश्यो खुबश्या मल्टिपल स्टेटीचे रजिस्ट्रेशनच्यो मोटरसायकली ज्यो हांगा भोंवता हांकां इमिजिएटली बंद करच्यो, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट अ कमर्शियल. आनी कमर्शियल आमचे पायलट आसात, कितकेशे आमचे गोंयकार पायलट, तांकां हें दिवचें. आनी म्हाका दिसता हें जर करीत सरकारान तर खुबश्या प्रमाणात हे एक्सिडंट कमी जातले आनी अजून खुबश्यो गजाली आसा जेंचेर नियंत्रणां येतलीं.